How to charge the Fujifilm J10. So I get a question about that quite a bit, and I've actually made 2 videos on this before. So I'm going to show you some methods that I have. Actually 3 ways, and I think the third one is the final solution that I like the most. But let's first start with the battery. So here's the battery. It's an NP-45A. We're going to put it in. We're just going to match the positive, which is a sign that's going in the right way. Positive, negative, it's in there. We're just going to match it up, and we're just going to put the battery in there. That's going to lock it in place right here. We're going to close this up. All right, so if you do a quick search, it says that you can charge it via the USB port. So let's connect that. So there's the USB port of the camera. You do need this cable that came with the camera in order for that to work. So let's connect it to the power. Okay, once we connect it, we can see that there really is no indicator to tell us if the battery is being charged. Now, I was supposed that this would come on, but I don't see any indicators. If I go here, I don't see any indication that it's charging or anywhere else that tells me that it's charging. So I just have to take the word for it. Maybe if I let it sit for a long time and then check it with something else, I might be able to tell you if that works or not. So if I turn on the camera, it's detecting that it is a USB connection, but I think that's for data transfer. So it's not really telling me if the battery is being charged or not. That's a little bit frustrating. So if I hit play, it's not really doing anything, or that, or that. If I do that, I can't really tell. All right, so the next method, so we just have to kind of assume that it is charging the battery. I'll have to see if this actually lights up, if it gets closer to charge. But let's look at the actual charger that comes with the camera. All right, so this is the charger that comes with the camera right here. Fujifilm BC45A, we see that's correct. So let's do that. Let's connect that and see if that's better. So let's see, let's connect the battery. We're just going to match our positive and negative. We're going to put that in right there, okay, and we're going to connect the charger, and we can see that it's now orange in color. And since I tested this before, I know that once it's green, it means the battery is fully charged, and we can then put it in our Fujifilm J10 camera, and we'll be ready to start taking pictures and video. So there's that. But the best method that I found, and this is most recent and very exciting actually to show you this, because I think it's a bit better, about this universal charger. Okay, this is a fan universal phone charger for batteries, but it also, you can use it to charge these batteries here as well. So let me show you how this works. So you can change this around however you like in order for it to fit any type of battery. Okay, so that's how that works. You can also connect it via USB and connect it that way too. But let's connect it. Okay, what I like about this is it has an LCD display on the top. So that little LCD display is going to show you what percentage your battery is at. So let me demonstrate that for you. So the way we're going to do this, we're going to match the contacts, positive and the negative. Let's match that up, and then when we put our battery in, we can see that it's about 50%. See that? So all we have to do is wait for it to reach 100, and then you'll be ready to go. So in my opinion, this little charger here, I like it better because it's showing you the actual percentage and when the battery will be done charging. So that's how that works. So 3 methods. I'm going to have to check and see if letting it sit on the camera will eventually show up. I'm thinking it's here, so I will demonstrate that for you later on a different video, or maybe the same video, but I have to leave it plugged in for a while to see if that actually works that way. So I hope you found that useful. Be sure to check down below in the description if you're looking for this charger here, because I think it works really well. And there you go.